How to unlike story and reels on Facebook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can unlike story and reels on Facebook. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is open up your Facebook. After you open up your Facebook, if you head over to anyone's story and you actually like it and now you want to remove the like, what you do is you tap on the three dots that is on the top right corner of the Facebook. After you do that, you will see undo recent reactions or undo sent reactions. Simply tap on that button, and after you do that, you'll see undo your reaction to this story. Now this will undo your like that you've done to this Facebook story. Tap on undo and it should be done. And that's basically how you unlike story on your Facebook. Now to unlike a reel, what you'll have to do is you'll actually need to head over to your menu section, and on your menu section tap on your settings icon on the top. After you tap on it, you'll need to scroll down and you'll need to find your activity section. So scroll down until you find your activity, and under there you will see activity log. Tap on activity log, and after you tap on activity log, you should see an option that says your Facebook activity. You can tap on that, and there you should see manage comments and reactions. Tap on manage comments and reactions, and there you should see the list of likes that you've done to reels. You can even filter those. You can see categories. Here you can see likes and reactions, and after you do that, you can head over to the likes and reactions. Now I have not yet liked or reacted to any reels, so I don't have it. But if you want to remove it, you just select one and tap on remove, and tap on remove again, and you should be good to go. And that's how you unlike a reel on Facebook. And that is basically it, guys. That is how you unlike story and reels on Facebook. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.